In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Snapchat on TV. So if you have your smart TV, you can actually install particular applications. So for example, if you have the smart TV, you should be able to have a Google Play Store or App Store or LG WebOS. So from there, just open your App Store and click on the search bar, and from in there, just search for Snapchat. You can also type it using your remote on your TV, and you should be able to see the Snapchat app right here. You can choose right here your device, and from in there, head over and then install the application. Click onto this install right here in order to install the app directly on your TV, and you can use it directly from there as well. So proceed to install and then sign in into your account in order to access it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.